Ay, wow, sarap.
After hours on my laptop, my neck always feels like this, stiff, tired, and sore.
It's time.
This is SKG G7 Pro Fold Neck Massager. It's foldable, lightweight, and portable, so it easily fits in my bag, perfect for home, work, or travel. What I love the most is the full smart customization through the app. You can adjust the massage mode, control the pulse and vibration intensity, and turn on the heat.
Connected na siya sa app.
Soothing mode.
Equal amount of pressure. Soothing talaga.
Relax mode.
Yung massage na ginaganon-ganon.
Relieve stress mode.
Yung hot compress niya is nasa high, so medyo mainit siya. Siyang 9 massage heads. Iba-iba yung modes nila. So, iba-iba rin yung way kung paano ka minamassage. Then, vitality.
Vitality mode.
High yung vibration massage niya. Pero ito yung favorite ko. Pulling mode. Alam mo yung parang pag may gumaganon, parang tararat, 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 tapos biglang, nakaka-relieve talaga ng stress to. At saka, ay, ang sarap talaga ng feeling. Comfy lang din yung padding niya. Hindi ko siyang i-off dito. Long press
Massage
lang.
complete.
Yan, massage complete. Very portable. Hindi mo kailangang i-connect sa outlet. Rechargeable lang siya. Pag tapos ka na, ganyan. Fold mo lang siya. Lagay mo rito. And, good to go.